If you've been bitten by a dog, some of the things to consider when hiring an attorney is whether or not that attorney has handled dog bite cases before. I can tell you that in our firm, we have a lot of these cases, unfortunately. And what's important is uncovering whether or not there are additional responsible parties that you can make a recovery for your losses from. More than just the owner of the dog can be responsible for the damage that a dog might have caused someone from a dog bite, for example. I've collected from a landlord where the landlord knew that a tenant had a dog there that had bitten other people, and they didn't take any action. They didn't have the tenant remove the dog. They didn't warn people about a dog that had, viciously harmed others. So there's more than just the dog owner. Under the law, you can find the owner can be liable, and a harborer of a dog can be liable. The difference between the common law and statutory law as it relates to dog bites is the statutory law provides for if you are the owner of a dog and your dog bites someone, injures someone, that person that's injured doesn't have to prove that the owner was negligent. Just the fact that a bite occurred means they're responsible for the harm. A dog bite claim from start to finish, the time varies. Mostly it depends on the severity of the injury. It also depends on how much insurance is available under the circumstances. So it could resolve in 30 days. It could take in a catastrophic injury. It could require a lawsuit to be filed in order to get full and fair compensation. It could take more than a year. The statute of limitations in order to bring a claim for a dog bite is 2 years from the date of the incident. When someone is injured from a dog bite, there is compensation that they're entitled to. That compensation includes their economic losses. So the economic losses would include your medical bills to pay for the treatment and to pay the providers that are taking care of your injuries, and any lost wages that you might have from a dog bite. There's also non-economic damages, which is the pain, the actual human loss that you've suffered from the incident itself. So the pain of the actual bite, the inconvenience that you have that results from it, the deformity that you might have that results from a dog bite. Oftentimes, there's a tearing effect on the skin, and clients are left with pretty severe scarring. That's a permanent deformity that you should be compensated for. The individual that might be responsible ultimately for the costs and expenses that you would incur from a dog bite technically is the owner or harborer of the dog. Now, the hope is that whoever the owner or harborer of the dog is, that they have insurance that will cover for the damages from this loss. So generally, it is an insurance company that will be stepping in to pay for the losses.